Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 F-350 LARIAT in magnetic. It has black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. It also has navigation, a twin panel moonroof, and it's a 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 and a 4x4. It also has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates and a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also power folding mirrors, as well as memory for 3 drivers. And you've got that nice wood grain inlay. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your emergency parking brake, power tailgate, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and there's a grab handle making it easier to get in. There's also a running board, which I really like. You have on the face of the steering wheel your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the door, and I'm going to push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, and you can toggle through the different menus: My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul on the end, and when you press it, it'll appear to the left of your odometer reading. And just press it again. And then in the center, you're seeing the Sony badging for your audio system, as well as a bin. And you have exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, hill descent, and lane keeping. On your touch screen, you're seeing your navigation. That's where your map is. And on your sources, you can choose AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You will also see your backup camera view here when you put the vehicle in reverse. There you go. And then you can go into settings, slide through for different options, things like Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so forth. Down below, volume and tuner, there's your CD player. And then you have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats. Again, for driver and passenger, there's your fan, AC and max AC, as well your front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, and your integrated trailer brake controller. In the cubby, a couple of USB outlets, as well as some more storage. And you can just press that if you want to close it. Again, that nice wood grain inlay. You've got many cup holders here, and you also have rings at the bottom, and that's your ambient lighting. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a little bin. You can take that out, deeper location to put things, and you also have a 12 volt. Off to the side, another 12 volt for powering up and connecting, as well as a 110, and you have 2 glove compartments. The lower one is locking. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. You have your lighting controls and sunglass holder, upfitter switches, and in the back you have a power sliding window, and that's what that's for. And then you have a twin panel moonroof, so we can just press the button and it'll slide right open for us. And there's also a power screen that goes across, so if it's just too bright, you can always tone it down by bringing that across. And there's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, chroma magnetic running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap, and you have a chrome handle on the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera's just above that handle. Your backup sensors are on your bumper. 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And you've also got that headache rack back in front, so if you want to tie down things or you have other uses for it, you've got that as well. And your tailgate is actually powered, so you can release it from inside, or you can double click your fob. You've got a spray-in liner and tie downs in all 4 corners, and you've also got a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in and out when you're loading things up. As well, you can then just lock it up, walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. So you simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position. And on the floor, you have a lockable, collapsible bin, and it's down right at the moment. When you want to bring the seat back down, simply pull the clip, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And in the center, you have an armrest and a couple of cup holders. On the floor, all-weather mats. That makes for easy cleanup. Slump pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got a couple of cup holders, as well as a 12 volt USB and 1 110 outlet. See those little red seats? That's the heated seats in the rear here, as well as air vents on either side. There's a grab handle in the body, lights and hooks up above, as well as that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, dual exhaust, mud flap, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.